Hello students, I am here to share the names of the winners of the contest which we had organized for Flag Day. So here is the list of winners. For that competition, you were supposed to submit either a drawing or a poem. That is the creative part. So the winner list goes something like this. At the third place, we have got Miaben Mon from Tamil Nadu, and he has submitted a poetry. At the second place, we have Aryan Pandey from Uttar Pradesh for submitting a poem in Hindi. And the first important place goes to Shrishti Dhawan from Kashipur, Uttarakhand for submission of a drawing. So winners, congratulations, heartiest congratulations, and for all those who have missed, need not to feel bad because you can still take part in a competition which is coming up on Christmas. So do take part in that and show your talent. And keep on learning at Vedantu.